Guys, so I got this present from my sister, Angelina. So I'm gonna unbox. Alright, unwrap this one. Merry Christmas, thank you, Angelina! Woo!
不要红色哈。
不要，反正。赵大哥，快给他拿走录。
So finally, hi. Wow. Whoa.
可以吗？那 size？
Guys, this one. Shout out to Angelina. Make sure to subscribe to her YouTube channel. She does ghost investigation. Oh, thank you! Chocolate!
二个是够 color 的。
Oh my god, guys, red in color, guys. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh my god. Look at this. Alright. Alright, so. Oh!
他可在那边自恋了，这是大哥的。
Yo, guys, I got green Christmas shirt right here, guys. Woo! Shalom. Hallelujah. Finally, it's empty inside. I thought it's like gonna be like 100k cash. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna be using this chocolate as my dinner and this one as my Christmas shirt tomorrow, right? Merry Christmas Eve, everybody. As always, peace out.